class, and they were supposed to finish this for homework and the back. Okay, so what I did here for problem A is I took these two, I didn't take these two ordered pairs, I took these ordered pairs, took the 18, subtracted from the 31st.
Mark Williams,
That.
please report to a lot of your sisters here. Mark
Okay.
Williams.
And then on the bottom, these are called the Y's. It's Y1 and Y2, Y1, Y2, and then X1, X2. So X1, you subtract these two, 16 minus 32, and you get negative and a negative is a positive, okay? For B, you do the same thing. I can choose the top two. Doesn't matter which order pair you choose, it will be the same. So I'm going to choose the top. Always do the Y first. So this says 13. It's, okay, remember it's Y, the first Y minus the second Y over the first X minus the second X. Alright? So it's 13 minus negative 2. It's going to a negative 2. So make sure you put that in there. That's a negative 2 over negative 1 minus the 0. The first one to the second one. Alrighty. These two, you add them together. Okay, you add them together. So it's 13 plus 2 over a negative 1. So that's 15 over negative 1. That is your rate of change, or that is your slope. This one here, you take your Y's, 25 and 40. If it confuses you, write the other one down here, 55 and 40. You take the Y's with each other, so it's 25 to 40, and over the 10 to 55. 10 to 55. That will give you a negative 15 over, if you need to use a calculator, negative 45. These two negative will get you a positive 15 over 45, which can be reduced to divide by 5, can be reduced to 3 over 9. So your answer is 3 over 9. Same thing here. You got the ordered pair, negative 16 and 5. Do your Y's first. If this is hard for you to see, put it on the bottom, negatives and negative 5. So you take the negative 5. So 19, 2 is a minus, remember. And remember, this is a negative 5. So it's a negative 5 here. Okay? That gives you, sorry. And on the bottom here is 4 to negative 16. 4 to negative 4, 2 is a minus, negative 16. This makes 19 plus 5 over 4 plus 16. That gives you a 24 over 20. How are you? You can reduce this. This is rate of change. It stinks in here, that's why I leave it open. Divide both by 4. You get 6 over 5, and that's your rate of change. Okay? The back side, you do the same. You need to remember, choose any two you like. I'm recording the homework. If you choose the first two, that's fine. Or you choose the bottom two, that's fine. Just remember, these are dollars, and these are hours worked. Okay, so these are 4 hours. This is 7 hours. This is $33 to minus $6. So you do the Y's. So $133 to $169. They're dollars. Make sure your answer is going to be also in dollars. I didn't put anything for these because these had no meaning. But this, it tells you what they are. Isaiah have already accumulated $85 from working part-time after school. The table shows the total number of hours worked, hours that Isaiah continues to work, and the amount of money he have accumulated. So that's how much money he have made. Okay, let's look at how many hours he's worked. It went from 4 to 7 hours. Okay, so that means he went from $36 a negative to negative 3 hours. Now 2 negative make a positive, so that makes it $12 for every hour he works. Oh, he makes $12 per hour. That's pretty good money. Okay, so basically it's $12 for 1 hour. Isaiah makes $12 for every hour he works. Isaiah makes $12 per hour, or $12 for every hour, whichever way you see it. Okay, next one. Okay, the table showed the distance Angelina walked compared to the number of steps she took. Okay, so steps is right here. Distance is 50 feet, 31 steps. Okay, let me take 76. Let me take these two numbers instead of the first two. Doesn't matter, remember, each point will get you the same answer. Angelina walked compared to the number of steps she took. Okay, so we explain what it means here. Okay, let's go back. Her steps, we're gonna put the distance first. Okay, the distance is from 120 to 330 over, these are the Y's, 31 to 76. 31 to 2 is a minus 76. Subtract that, you get a negative 210 over 45. Hi Mark, how are you? Reduce that. Let's use a calculator to see if it goes in perfectly or not first. Let's see. 210 divided by 45. Does it go in perfectly? No, it goes in 4 times. So we just 4 point something. We're going to reduce this. Because it doesn't go in perfectly, we're going to reduce. 2 negatives, remember, is a positive. I know by 5 for sure. So my answer is 42. 42 over 9. So what does that mean? Remember, this is the distance. This is how much, this is 330 feet. So this is feet. And this is 76 steps. So these are steps. So basically, Angelina walks 42 feet for every 9 steps. So Angelina walked 42 feet for every 9 steps. That's what it means. Now these, oh, touchdowns and scores. You guys know how to do this, right? Okay, so here you calculate this. I'm gonna have you finish the rest because I don't have time. I'm gonna do these two review here. Uh-oh, I didn't put in a work. Okay, skip number 7. I forgot to put in something the student did wrong. Sorry. Okay, you guys finish this. Does your answer have any meaning? No, because there's nothing to tell you what it means, okay? This you can tell the meaning because it tells you what it is here. Okay, function or not. It's a function because all the inputs, all the x are different, okay? That's what you write there. Okay, here. You're going to choose your coordinate. Make sure that you don't choose ones that are decimals. So I'm going to choose, I can't choose one, I can choose 1, but it's not, but I'm going to choose 12. There's no decimal, 2 and 12. Okay, and next one I'm going to choose 4. 4 and 24. Okay, those are the two coordinates I'm going to choose. So 2, 12, and 4 and 24. What's the rate of change? Let's find the rate of change. We take the 24 to 12. Okay, I'm going to do 24 to 12. 24 to 12 over 4 to 2. 4 to 2. It will be the same answer if you did it the other way. This is 12 over 2, or reduced to 6 over 1. We need to know the meaning, okay? So we need to know what your x is and what your y is. Your y is distance in feet. So this is feet, feet. This is times in minutes. So 4 minutes, you walk 24 feet. 2 minutes, you walk 12 feet. So this is feet and this is minute. What does the answer mean? It means that you walked 6 feet in 1 minute. Okay, that's the answer. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop here.